Hello, motion graphic designers. I'm John from Motionist Studio, and in this video, I'll show you what AI Assistant is and how you can use it in your daily After Effects workflow. So let's dive in. You can find AI Assistant directly inside After Effects. Just go to Window, Extensions, AI Assistant. Open it up, and right away, you will see Welcome panel with 3 pre-made prompts. You can use each one of them to see how AI Assistant will work without even you log in. In this case, I'm going to use a social media prompt to see how demo works. Let it generate. And there we go. As you can see, here's the basic setup that I can start work from here. Now let's try something more interesting. AI Assistant works right out of the box. No API keys, no setup, no configuration. All the wiring is handled securely on our website. You just open the panel and start creating. Here is a short and honestly pretty unclear prompt. A boy playing football. Each part on different layer. Search online for visual references. Even with a prompt like this, AI Assistant breaks it down and generates a structured After Effects code. Let it generate and give it a while. Just keep it in mind this is AI generated code, so you might need to do a small tweaks here and there, just like you would do with any other script. Back in the same panel, you can always find the latest version. If a new version is available, this line becomes a clickable link and you can jump directly to download page. At Edit tab, you will find a history of latest generated codes. You can review them, modify the JSX, or even export it as a standalone script so you can use it later. You can use all these features for free and upgrade only if you want to use it more than 10 prompts per day. AI Assistant is listed now and ready to purchase on Adobe Exchange. And if you want to give it a try and use a free version, you can go to Motionist Studio and download it for free. Thank you for watching.